Hey y'all, today we're going to make a corn pudding casserole, and this is so delicious, but it's also so easy. My 6-year-old granddaughter Ivy's going to make it. Alright, now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add 2 cans of corn that are drained to the blender. Alright, 4 eggs going in.
This is the last one.
Good job. Okay, now we're going to add a 1/2 cup of milk. And those of you that didn't see, she did put the 4 eggs in there. I just skipped one of them. There we go. Good job. Now you're going to put a 1/2 stick of butter. Yep.
The whole thing.
Yes, ma'am. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Yes, ma'am. 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and what I have here, yes, baby, is the King Arthur gluten-free flour. And then we have a 1/4 teaspoon and 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper. Okay, now we're going to put it back on the blender and we're going to blend it up. Put it on, Ivy. Now we're going to blend it up really good. That looks good. Turn it off, baby. Okay, now we're going to add 1 can of corn. Hang on and let me help you. There we go, she can reach it. The 1 can of corn that's drained. So this makes a total of 3 cans of whole kernel corn. And now it's 1/2 cup of chopped roasted red pepper. Okay, baby. Now she's going to stir that up instead of blend it. Go ahead, baby. Okay, I got her little brother talking in the background. There you go. And now we're going to transfer it over to a pan. Okay. Now she's going to put that over into a 9x9 glass pan that I've already sprayed. And we're going to put that on 350, cook for 55 minutes. Good job, honey. Yay. There it is, right out of the oven. Ooh, it looks delicious. We're going to let it cool off, and then Ivy is going to taste it. There it is, nice and plated. Doesn't that look pretty? She did such a good job. Now we're going to let her taste it. Okay, try it, Ivy. Is it good? Yeah. What do you think?
It's good. I'm the best cook ever.
Yes, you are. Well, there you have it. She made some wonderful and delicious corn pudding casserole. Now, you know it's easy. You know it's delicious. So, try it. Don't forget, push like, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, from my kitchen to yours, Love and light.